So this is a complete done-fee method to make money online with affiliate marketing. I want to show you step by step how you can set this up properly, how you can get this done for completely free. And this page that you can see on the screen right now is where you're going to get all of the free affiliate resources. So you can literally copy and paste them in many different ways to make money online with this underground affiliate marketing strategy. So if you're ready to make your first sale online or make some more money, then go ahead and smash that like button down below. And let's jump into today's tutorial. So for step number 1, what we want to do is pick an affiliate marketing network. In today's example, we're going to be using Clickbank as this the one I'm using to promote this product. But you can use literally any one of these products in any different niche. And you guys already know how to sign up to these platforms. So we're not going to go through that. Let me go ahead and take you guys straight into the back office. Now once you're logged into Clickbank, what you want to do is come up to the top right here where it says Marketplace, and it's going to take you to this page. Now this is pretty much where you're going to see all of the different products that Clickbank has to offer. On the left-hand side here, they'll show you all of the different categories. So if you know an entertainment business and invest in e-business, education, health and fitness, home and garden, the list goes on and on. Now the category we're going to be focusing on today is actually the self-help category. So you just click here where it says self-help. And then it's going to take you over to this page where you'll be able to see a bunch of different products that are within the self-help niche. Now the product we're going to be promoting today, which has been doing extremely well for me lately and has been doing great over the years, is his secret obsession. This is a fantastic offer that's in the love and relationship niche. And it works very well, as you can see how you can get to 90% on the front. And the back end sales affiliates are making anywhere from $2.56 to $5.45 EPCs, which is basically earnings per click. And for every sale that you make with this product, you can see right here on the right-hand side, you're going to get paid over $58.74. And that's quite high for products on Clickbank. And what I'm going to do later in this video is I'm going to show you how you can increase the amount of commissions you get each sale so you can make even more money with this product. And even with the current payout, you can still make tons of money because of the traffic method I'm going to show you later. You're going to easily get a lot of people to purchase this product. And this is going to add up and make you tons of money with this affiliate marketing strategy today. Now, if you want to learn a little bit more about this product, before you decide to go ahead and promote it, what I suggest for you to do is open it up in a new tab and it'll take you over to the sales page. You can simply watch this video right here. Or you can skip to the text presentation where you can read what it's all about. After you've done that, all you have to do is come back over here and click promote and simply hit create hop link. And what's going to happen here is that you're going to have your affiliate link. This is your unique affiliate link that is connected to your Clickbank account. So whenever someone clicks on this link right here, they make a purchase, they sell directly be tracked back into your account, and you get paid the commission. And this is going to be around $50+ per sell. Remember what I said I'm going to show you later in the video, how you can make even more money by increasing the amount of payouts you get. So make sure you stick around for that and smash that like button if you haven't already. Now moving on to the most important thing about these affiliate products, which makes this strategy done for you, is actually the affiliates page. So if you see right here underneath the promote button, you can see affiliates page. A similar click they're going to happen is going to take you over to this page right here. And this is pretty much a page that gives you access to free tools and resources provided by the product owner. This makes our lives 10 times easier because we don't have to create content ourselves. We don't have to write the emails, we don't do the product reviews, etc. All of the content and the hard work has been given to us for us to go online and succeed and make money, so this is pretty much a win because when we make sales, a product owner also makes money, so we can essentially just copy and paste all of the stuff they've given us on this page. And we can use it to generate sales online. So now moving into step number 2 of this tutorial. What you guys want to do is head right over to a website called bit.ly.com. And what this platform allows you to do is shorten your long affiliate link, which was provided to you on Clickbank. So right here, as you can see, this is your hop link, your affiliate link. What you want to do right here is quickly just copy it. And then you want to head back over to bit.ly, scroll down, and then paste your link right here where it says shorten your link, and then simply just click on shorten. And what's going to happen is it's going to provide you with a shorter version of your original affiliate link. And this just looks way more professional, and it will be way more clickable for people online. And this is going to get you higher conversions when it comes to sharing it on a different traffic sources that I have coming up for you. I'm moving on to step 3, which is the most important part of this video. This is going to be all about traffic, how we're going to get people over to our affiliate products so we can make money online. And today, I'm actually going to go above and beyond for you guys. I'm going to give you 2 very powerful ways that you can get traffic to your affiliate offer. And the second one is actually a bonus traffic source that I'm going to reveal towards the end of this video, which is the #1 way in my opinion. So make sure you don't miss out on that. If you're ready for this, smash that like button. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you go ahead and do so because we have many, many more videos on the way. So now what you want to do is head back over to the affiliates page and then simply click right here where it says sample emails. Now from here, what's going to happen is you're going to see this pop up. And pretty much you'd have a chance to increase the amount of commission you make. As I told you earlier, you can make even more than $58 per sell. So to simply enter your email here, click on Get Started. And they're going to send you the information that you need in order to get this commission bump. Once you've done that, you want to click on Emails. And then from here, you're going to see his secret obsession, email swipes. Now these are pre-written emails that they've given you that you can literally use anywhere online for free to promote their product. And they got up to 9 emails that you can choose from. Let's say we're going to click on this one, which is, email swipe number 60 secret session. You can see that you have the hook right here. You have the subject lines, and they give you the full body of the email that you can copy and send out online. And a trick that I want to show you is that you can actually hyperlink some of this stuff in here and then put your affiliate links inside so that when people click that hyperlink, it will take them straight over to the sales page. So that when the customers make a purchase, you get paid directly off the offer pretty much once they come here. They get the value, they read what the email is about, and they click over, we can make money. And these emails right here are all been professionally written. This company has taken the time to, pay professionals to write this to make sure that they convert into sales. So you know for a fact that these are very good emails that's going to be able to make you a lot of money online. So now let me show you how you can use these emails. Even if you don't have your very own email lists yet, you don't need any social media followers for this. And you don't even need a website. All you guys have to do right now is to simply head over to this website right here called Hurculist Plus. So that's Hurculist.com. And what I'm going to do is leave a link down to this website as well for you guys to just click and go straight over there. And as you can see right now for yourself, no limits advertiser 1000s daily for free. So basically, this is a platform that has a database of different people's emails, and they give us the opportunity to send out emails directly to their contacts for 100% free. So just think about, you can use the emails that you got from the affiliates page, head over to this website, sign up, and then you can literally just start sending emails to 1000s of people and your affiliate links will be inside. So when they click on the links, it will take them back over to the sales page or the secret session or whatever product you're promoting. And this is how you're going to be able to make sales online. And just like that, you'll have your Hurculist account and you're going to be able to send at least 1 email per day to over 1000 people. And think about it, you only need, let's say, 5% of these people to make a purchase on a sales page. And that can bring you in anywhere from, $300 to $400 every single day using this method. But guys, remember, when you send these emails, make sure that you even hyperlink them and take the customers from the email directly over to the sales page. Or even better, take them over to your landing page that goes through to your affiliate link. Because you want to collect contacts for yourself. You want to build up your own database. You don't want to rely on these websites right here. So make sure you go ahead and sign up for Builder. I'll create a landing page so that when you send out these emails right here, when people click over, it takes them to the landing page and you can collect the contacts. And let's say a lot of them don't purchase on the first time, you can send them even more emails right here. You have literally 8 other emails that you can send follow-up with these people. And this is how you're going to be able to make a long-term passive income because you're going to be able to have your own list of people. And that's it for today. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. And make sure to subscribe to this channel and see you soon in another one.